Welcome back, it's Chris David with S11, and here is your Thursday, September 19th, 2019 update. Hey, we got a public beta released. This is crazy. We are finally taking this big, huge step. We finally have folks in the Philippines, Indonesia, Japan. We got a bunch of countries of people. We got professional programmers, designers, eBay listers, Amazon listers, folks that are going to come in and get shit done on your behalf. We've got 50 some odd frameworks, not for you to use, but for them to come in and get shit done for you. And this is not you on somebody else's system. This is your system. You're the owner. You're the founder. You're the landlord. You get the money. This is what it's all about. S11, we're here to get some shit done. And I wanted to celebrate with you at S11.io. Take a second out of your day. Come check it out. S11.io. We're about to get crazy and let this e-commerce survival guide really take off. I'll see y'all later.